Did you know that the moon can glow brighter than the sun? Well, not technically glow, but you get what I mean. And today we're going to tell you all about it. Today we're going to dive into the science behind this incredible phenomenon and share some stunning visuals to help you understand it better. First up, let's talk about annular eclipse. You might have heard of a total solar eclipse, when the moon makes the sun look like an ominous black disk in the sky, but its cousin, the annular eclipse, is a bit different. So instead of a total eclipse, the sun's light spills over the edges, creating a spectacular ring of fire in the sky. This is also known as a ring of fire eclipse. Now, here's where things get really cool. During an annual eclipse, the moon can actually glow brighter than the sun, which sounds crazy, right? But it's all about perspective. As the moon rotates, different parts of it receive varying amounts of sunlight, creating a range of brightnesses across its surface. And when the moon is at its farthest point, the side facing us is completely illuminated by the sun. This means that half of the moon's visible surface is in this fully lit state, giving it a dazzling glow that can outshine the sun. But wait, there's more. The brightness of the moon during an annular eclipse can be quite surprising, reaching up to 327 times that of a full moon. That's a whole lot of sparkle. The reason for this extra brightness is the angle at which the light hits the lunar surface. When the sun is low on the horizon, its light passes through more of Earth's atmosphere, scattering away some of the blue light and leaving mostly yellow and red hues. This atmospheric filtering makes the moon look even more brilliant against the backdrop of the sky. Okay, now let's talk about the path of an eclipse. This is the region on Earth's surface where the annual eclipse occurs. It is important to note that the eclipse path is not the same as the shadow cast by the moon. Instead, it marks the area where the sun and the moon are lined up perfectly. If you're outside the annularity path, don't worry. You're not missing out on the solar eclipse. ULL still witnessed a partial solar eclipse with only a portion of the sun covered by the moon. For example, if the center of the annual eclipsed path is 1,000 miles away from your location, you'll see 87% of the annual solar eclipse. The closer you are to the center of the annularity path, the higher the percentage of the solar eclipse you'll observe. So while you won't see the full glory of the ring of fire, you'll still experience a partial solar eclipse with a decent amount of the sun obscured. The exact percentage varies depending on how far you are from the center line of the eclipse path. Don't forget to share your thoughts below. And thanks for watching!